leaf twig going on, and I have one of their blades that they sent that I'm going to use. I'm going to be using Executive Man by Sterling Soap Company. I had some water blooming, so just going to rub that in, and I'm just going to go right into the puck, and we're going to do a face lather today. You know, a lot of praise. Everybody wanted me to try it, and thanks to Leaf Shave, they actually sent me a twig and their actual leaf razor, which, you know, I'll use in the next coming weeks. So for the first pass, now I did have about almost a week's worth of growth. Yeah, that's smooth. It reminds me of a disposable razor. I mean, it has that same kind of, you know, jive going on with it. It's awful light. I'm having to press a little harder than I normally do. It's definitely mild. Okay, first pass, pretty impressed. That was a lot of growth. I mean, if normally I would have gone right to a Rockwell 6C on a 6 plate to take off that much growth. It did a great job. And I think I'm going to be able to get this done in 2 passes. Looks like there's a little bit left there. My neck, which is the most sensitive area, it did a really good job going through that. So we're going to go across the grain. Yeah, there's nothing there. Wow, that's pretty good. I mean, I don't even feel that blade, but it's really pulling off a ton. Yeah, that's really smooth. Really, really smooth. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna do a 3-pass shave with it. I mean, I can get away with this, but I don't feel any irritation whatsoever. I think the hype with these razors is people making a switch from a disposable, and yeah, this is an easy one to make that switch with. Yeah, very little, but it got a little bit. Over here. Yeah, it's definitely BBS. I'm gonna go against the grain on my neck twice. Wow, their blade is actually a darn good blade. Normally I don't like, you know, people's blades. Theirs is pretty good. Let's go over that with the alum block. No stinging up top. Slight tingle here and over here where that's, you know, usual. Little bit underneath, but not much. Man, that was a really good shave. I can see why people like it. Now granted, that was like almost a week's worth of growth. So yeah, can it get better? Probably. But the twig is not supposed to be their thorn. I'm going to assume it's a thorn. Leaf twig, thorn. Yeah, there's a Thor out that it's a little more aggressive for, you know, more growth on your face. I gotta say that twig though, man, this twig is, it's definitely a contender. I'm gonna shave probably the next couple more days with it and, you know, see how it does when it's not so much hair on my face. Because like I said, if I was going to go that long without shaving, I would have used a aggressive razor like a 6-plate on a Rockwell 6C or, you know, the Gillette Fat Boy, opening it up a little bit, or, you know, even an R41, which, you know, that was a lot of growth even for any razor, but, you know, those razors can take it down. This did a great job. It's smooth, getting the correct angle, very easy. It rinsed out very nice, so that was great. So first impressions of it, yeah, it's one heck of a razor. I can see why people like it. And it was one heck of a shave. So, I mean, it's BBS, a little bit right here. But again, that was using their razor blade, which, you know, hey, didn't nick myself, no weepers. So that's impressive in itself. What a great shaver though. No sting first time, to me, is really good. I'll finish everything off with some Nivea I like going in a little wet on my face. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so yeah, great razor. I mean, it's smooth. It's very smooth. Could have got a little more down here. You know, and it could be driver error. We're gonna find out. I did use their razor blades, not any of my favorite. So that will happen in the near future. But all in all, hey, that's one hell of a razor. I can see why people like it. What do you guys think? Don't forget to comment below.